This is a bumblebee and it makes bzz, so it can get some honey. This is a creeper and it makes and it's in Minecraft. This is a parrot. It makes brack sound and this is a frog and this is how it makes sound. Ribbit, ribbit. I made a giraffe and it makes sound.
How does it make sound?
It makes sound because it chops on branches. The horse, I made a horse and it can make sound by name. I'm Barney and I made a dinosaur and it makes roar. Hey, this is me, Landon Brown, and I have a creeper that fleds. I'm William and I build creeper and it makes this noise. I bought a flag and I want to break it. I made a thing and this is. Oh, I'm kidding. I'm going to smash this wooden hole on the table. I'm Nehemiah Rankin and I built a creeper and it makes. I made a dog and it says ruff. I made a cat and it goes meow. I made a person, it makes yay. I made a robot.
And what sound does it make?
Beep beep. I made a giraffe and it.
What sound does it make? Do you know what sound it makes? Tell me what you made.
I made a cat.
And what sound does it make?
Meow.